YouTube video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Wait, I gotta do over. Cut! Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to know how to achieve this natural look with glitter, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to know how to achieve this natural look, then keep watching. Hey babes, let's get right into the video. I'm going to put my hair back, so I suggest you do the same if you're going to be trying this look while I'm giving it to you, okay? Yes, honey. Get the hair out the way. I'm also coming to you with eyebrows already filled in. I'm going to use my Morphe palette. The number will be in the description box. I'm using actually two natural colors. The first one I'm going to use is the dark one, and then I'm going to go over it with the lighter color. But I'm going to use soft brush strokes because you don't have to be too heavy-handed when you're putting on your makeup. You want to make sure you're blending the product, and that doesn't require you poking your eye out. I'm just saying, I used to be that girl, okay? I was like, girl, stop. Anyways, and then I'm going to use like a shimmer. Yes, honey. Can we do the shimmer? Anytime now. Right. So I'm going over the whole lid. I'm kind of gonna go over and do a swoop at the end. It's real easy. Over, swoop. Oh, you're not gonna do the swoop? Well, I swooped it like twice. Swoop. Okay, maybe we're gonna go over, and swoop. There we go. Get the corners. Sometimes the corners be lonely. Like, don't leave them out. Don't leave the corners out. So now I'm going in with some glitter just to bring my natural look out a little bit. I'm going over the lid line, and then I'm going to go over the lash line, and I'm going to connect them at the end. Like, you know how I did the swoop? You're going to swoop again for both. Swoop when you go over the lid line, and swoop when you go over the lash line. 24 karat gold moisturizer. Yeah, I need vocal lessons. Anyways, I'm gonna use my liquid yeah, you know what it was. Then we're gonna go over with concealer. I'm a little extra. Like, I really want this makeup look to pop, so I'm gonna like brighten up these areas that's kind of dark, honey. We didn't need to do all that. But anyways, I pushed the product in with the sponge, the blender. I don't rub it. You don't ever want to rub because you're actually wiping the product off when you rub. So just kind of push it into your skin. Like so. That's the glitter I used. I bought it at a mall in Las Vegas. It was just so pretty. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over my lash line with some eyeliner, black eyeliner, just so when I put my eyelashes on, it connects and you don't see like, yeah, you don't want to see my real eyelashes and then see where the fake eyelashes are trying to connect with you don't want that hole, that gap. So I always use like a black eyeliner to kind of fill that the skin in with that darkness. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna, you get the point. Just use black eyeliner when you put on eyelashes, unless you want a more natural look, like they're growing out of your skull. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this video. Unless y'all don't care. That is pretty. Juvias palette, you guys. They got some good makeup. They're a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but their product is amazing. Like, I'm not even gonna compare it, but it's like back in the day when Urban Decay was like the bomb. It's like that. I'm extra. Remember that. You don't gotta do all that. You don't have to put it on your temple. You know, you don't gotta do all that. But to complete the look, I wanted to go under the eyes with a black eyeliner pencil. Usually I don't use one, but I think for a more Cleopatra look that it was needed. I definitely didn't plan on doing my hair for the video, but I couldn't go out like that. Like, it's the look is not even completed because my hair is nappy. Again, this is a wig I pulled out the closet, and I had to do a lot to it. It's still not where it should be, but it's a start. Gotta start somewhere, right? And even though I had some hiccups in this video, you see I can't even talk. That's why I don't even like talking during the video. Yeah, the next one, I'm gonna just probably put some words in there to help y'all because I can't get what I'm trying to say out and it's frustrating. Anyway, yeah. So it's kind of like a kinky style. Again, it's YS Wigs. I'll drop the website in the description box if you want me to. Or I can do another video on how I did this wig look if you want me to. It's up to you. But it looks like my real hair, like that texture. I like that. Yeah, so thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that was a real simple look for you. I hope you guys come back. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like it. I hope you like my video. I hope you comment. Like, let's talk. What you want to see? I can do pretty much any kind of glitter lid look. Have you guys seen Glow? I'm gonna make a video.
Natural lighting is always gonna trump. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. No, it do. Look. No light. Light. No light. Light.
No, I think you're
that glow. You don't.
Your perception is around the ring.
Oh well, you in the video. Oh, ah!